Recently, the Supreme Court has differentiated between grounds of arrest and intimation of arrest. The Supreme Court has dealt this issue in the case of Vihan Kumar versus State of Haryana 2025 Supreme Court. The court observed that communicating the grounds of arrest is not only a statutory right recognized under Section 47 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, but it is also a fundamental right under Article 22, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India. Communicating grounds of arrest is important not only to protect the personal liberty of the person, but also to fulfill another fundamental right, that is to consult a lawyer. It also helps to seek appropriate remedy against the arrest. So communication of ground is important for the arrested person. But merely telling the offenses for which a person is arrested is not sufficient, because of the grounds of arrest is a wider concept which includes not only the information about the offenses for which a person is arrested. Along with that, it also includes the information of the accusation, that is the facts of the case, and the reason for which the arrest is made or the arrest seems necessary by the police. Secondly, the court observed that the communication must be made in a language which can be understood by the arrested person. Only when these conditions are fulfilled that Section 47 and Article 22, Clause 1 will be considered compliant. The court has also dealt with the non-compliance of this provision. The first effect will be that the arrest will become illegal. Secondly, if any remand order is passed by the court subsequent to the arrest, then that remand order will also be vitiated. Thirdly, the court has made clear that in case of non-compliance, the investigation, the charge sheet file, or the trial will not be affected. I hope you like this video, and for more such video, please like and subscribe.